Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick look and a draw for one of these things here. This is the brand new Reaper Mini 4-in-1 ESC, 60 amp ESC up to 8S from FOXEER. Now I've just got two of these in. I don't think the packaging's even finalized yet, but I wanted to show you this thing, and also as I've got two, thank you FOXEER for that, give one of them away. Now before I get into that, in the box I also got my order of the new Cyclones as well. I'm a big fan of the Cyclone props. They're just real good work horses and I have them on loads of different models. I've got the new Cyclones here in lots of different shapes and sizes. This should keep me going for quite a few months, even with the amount that I'm flying. But the star of the show is this thing here. Again, this is the FOXEER Reaper Mini 4-in-1, really designed to go along with the FOXEER F722 mini flight controller to be plug and play. So this is a 60 amp ESC, but can peak up to 100 amps, 3 to 8S capable, BL32, has an awful lot of MOSFETs all over it. It's a slightly unusual design for the smaller flight controller to go on the top. Desync improvement, not exactly sure what they've done, but they've done some thought on the design to try and help make sure that that doesn't happen. And it's quite a cute little thing. All of the risers are there on the side. Now again, I don't think this is the final packaging. I think this is kind of almost like two final production units, but in pre-production packaging. And alongside the ESC, just get all these bits out here, we have a flying lead with nice thick pieces on it. So that means you don't have to get one of those. We have the cable that would go up into the F722 Mini, and we also have a nice big cap as well to help keep everything nicely smoothed out. So I just wanted to let you know that this had come in, really, because this is very, very new. But I haven't just got one. As I said at the beginning, I've actually got my hands on two, and this one is the one that's going to go into the giveaway. To go into the giveaway, it's the usual stuff: like, comment, subscribe. This is going to be a 24-hour giveaway, so I'm going to draw the names out the hat in 24 hours. So good luck to everybody for this. If you're about to build a multi-rotor, or maybe you have a FOXEER F722 hanging around, you want a companion, then pop your comment down below. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.